Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with Suvaranjan. In this video, I will show you how to set up Java or JDK in IntelliJ IDEA on Windows 11 and run your first Hello World program. You can follow these steps. Step 1. Download and install the Java Development Kit on your system. I already make a separate video how to set up JDK on Windows 11, so you can go to check this video. Step 2. Install latest version of install Step 2. Install latest version of IntelliJ IDEA on your system. And step 3 is the final step. Run your first Hello World program. So let's go. Open your browser and type IntelliJ IDEA and press enter. Click this link. Download IntelliJ IDEA under jetbrains.com. I also share this link in description. Click this download button. Now you can choose your location whatever you want to save this file. I am choose drive D. Click save. Now your downloading is started. It's a 1.3 GB file. If you have a good internet connection, it's download quickly. Otherwise, it's take a little bit time. So please be patient.
2,000 years later.
When this file is completely downloaded, double click it to start the installation. Now appeared a pop-up window. Click yes to start the installation. Now the IntelliJ IDEA setup wizard is appeared. Click next. You can as it is same these options. It is by default installs in C drive. Or if you want to change the location, simple click browse and change your location whatever you want. I change to drive D, so go to this PC and click this D drive, click OK. Now you can see our destination folder is changed. Now click next. Now click this checkbox options. First this pick these options. It is a shortcut desktop menu. Second, click this checkbox. It is not required manually update in environment variable. It is automatically the path variable is added in environment. And click these options. Open a folder as project. Then click next and click install. Now your installation is starting. The installation process is a little bit take a time. So please be patient. The whole installation is make the whole installation it's take a little bit time. So please be patient.
2,000 years later.
After completing installation, click finish to close this window. Now you can see the shortcut menu IntelliJ IDEA is created in desktop. Simple, double click it to open it. When skip import, now click new project. Now click Java. Name your project file. I name is demo. Choose your location, whatever you want to save this file. click this file icon. I am choose drive D and make a separate folder like 2025. Select this folder and now same as it is, these options not required to change. And one more thing is, you can see when you install JDK on your system and after that you install IntelliJ IDEA, the IntelliJ IDEA automatically detected your JDK path. See under program files Java JDK 21. Now create this option. If you using first time IntelliJ IDEA, it is take a little bit time, so please be patient. Click yes. You can see a terminal option. Now the editor is ready to execute the programs. Close this terminal and you can see our IntelliJ IDEA by default create a sample program main.java. Now you can see our IntelliJ IDEA by default create a sample code like main.java. Main is a class and .java is extension. So under demo is our project file name, and under demo go to source file, and under source file you can see the main class. And if you make another class, so right click the under source file, go to new and click Java class. If you type only the class name like hello world, sorry, hello world, press enter. So like VS Code, we need to make a Java program class required class name with extension .java. But in this case, IntelliJ IDEA don't require to type manually with extension. Only type your class name. The extension is automatically added. It's a feature of IntelliJ IDEA. Now under class file hello world, create a main method because it is a entry point of your Java program. And in this Java programming, if you make any program, you need to mandatory make class, and under class a main method. It's a main method is syntax is public static void main. Or if you make a shortcut these options, type main, and now you can see the main options is appeared. Now click enter. The public static void main string arguments is created. Now we need to print a message in console. So in Java have a output method, and it is system.out.println, or short form is out. Press enter. Now they generated the class system.out.println. So what is this? I am also make a new video in next one. So you can as it is type hello world and press these options. Run hello world Java. It's a building little bit time. Now our hello world program is successfully printed. I make a next new file. It's same way is a demo2 and simple click enter. Now click our next folder is demo2 and previous file is hello world. Now it's the same. Now it's the same way. We type main and under simple press tab and automatically print the, and you can change this message like 1 2 3 and print this file. Now print 1 2 3. If you see any problem like one more thing, I recommend you can change the setting. Go to this main menu option, file option, settings. Under settings, you can customize your editors like change your theme, dark, white, dark color options, but I am prefer dark option or sync with OS and go to editor option, go to general and check this above boxes and check this box. Change the font size with Ctrl plus mouse wheel in. How to work? I am see you. Click apply. Okay. So when you required change font size, simple. Go to your keyboard, press Ctrl button and scroll your mouse wheel. Mouse up scroll is increase and down scroll is decrease. It's a way you need to set your font size. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment my channel called Subaranjan. I will come with more tutorials in next one. Thank you.